Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Lokanath Misra. He was born on 21st of November 1922. He studied in Ravenshaw College in Cuttack. He was a very active member of Congress party from Orissa. He spoke on various issues in Constituent Assembly as he was a member of Constituent Assembly from Odisha on a Congress ticket. He spoke on freedom of religion, he spoke on national language issue, he spoke on right to property. He opposed the concept that right to propagate religion should be fundamental right. He was of opinion that unless there is a common language, it is difficult to have a strong center. He also expressed his views that for the better development, there should be the unity in the people of India. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.